Right now, a famous online monetary transactional service is closing down, indiscriminately closing down the accounts of big time top marketers. It rhymes, this company rhymes with Maymao. Anyways, I'm gonna help you out here today. So here I am, rocking like, anyways, here I am on the Warrior Plus platform, affiliate platform. JVZoo has yet to do this. Right now, the current date is January the 8th, 2019. So if you're in the future somewhere and you're watching this, I hope the solutions out there are much better than now. Hopefully blockchain transactions is a commonplace and you can get your payments that way. If not, if you're living in this time with me now and you want to save your PayPal at the same time, get transactions from Warrior Plus, from the products you're promoting from the Warrior Plus platform, you're going to want to change to wallet, to Warrior Plus wallet. And that's what I'm going to show you in this video. Really important, really easy stuff here. So you're going to click on your account. You're going to first, of course, jump into your Warrior Plus account. Go up here to the right, click down, go to account settings. Boom. Okay, you're gonna scroll down to merchant accounts. Boom. Okay, and you're going to click this little button here and say click on reassign to other account. Boom, very important. Okay, now you're gonna go from move to. So affiliate links, you're gonna click on wallet. And if you're doing a JV contract with someone, then you're going to also change that to wallet. Okay. Click update. Okay. Now your PayPal is safe in a manner of speaking. Your Warrior Plus will hold your payments and you can withdraw from Warrior Plus into your PayPal in one lump sum. So PayPal will not know which product you are promoting that earned you that commission, so they can't kick you off for that. Also, on top of that, if you're still afraid of PayPal because of that, then you can completely skip PayPal all entirely and get a Veem account. Veem is also connected with WordPress now. You can get, not WordPress, excuse me, Warrior Plus. You can get your profits sent to your Veem account, and Veem will send it over to whatever bank you're in. So it's Veem. Let me hook you up right here. Veem. I have yet to set this up myself, but yeah, Veem. It's a free way to get money sent to your actual bank. Okay, to your actual bank. Okay, and there are certain countries they allow this in. Oh, let me check that for you real quick. There's like 90 countries that allow Veem. This is important stuff too because I live in Japan, excuse me. I'm a little tipsy, by the way. And I was really worried about not being able to get a Veem account because Japan is extremely strict with banking and all that stuff. Okay, but luckily, Japan's okay. Where is Japan? Where are you? There you are, boom. And a bunch of other countries are too, okay? So these countries here can receive and send. These countries here can only receive. So if you're an affiliate, then you don't have to worry about sending. You just have to worry about receiving. So if you're in any of these countries here, boom, then you're okay with Veem. You can get your Warrior Plus payments sent directly to your bank account. Okay, very good stuff. If not, what I'm doing is I'm gonna hold my money within Warrior Plus and then withdraw it all at once, and it's only gonna look like a Warrior Plus deposit into my PayPal. It's not gonna spark any. It's not gonna put up any red flags with PayPal. I hope not. Actually, I'm gonna put up my Veem account later, and I'm gonna make a video about that as well. I just want to give you a little heads up on a safe way to move your money from Warrior Plus to your PayPal or to straight to your bank account. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe. I'll be back with more tutorials and guides with anything and all things revolving around internet marketing. So take it easy, be good, and talk to you later. Bye-bye.